Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You need a charged device and backups before you touch reset because data is erased. First, plug in or ensure at least 50% battery. Once done, make sure your phone and cloud backups completed so you can restore. Next, open settings and confirm model and OS version so you use the right reset path. Finally, sign out of accounts or remove pairing on the companion app to avoid activation locks. This prevents reactivation hurdles and makes the reset clean and reversible. You'll now perform the reset itself. This is where accuracy matters. On most watches, go to Settings, then System or General and choose Factory Reset. Confirm prompts and enter your PIN or password because this secures your device. If the screen is unresponsive, try a soft reset. Hold the side button until it restarts, then repeat the factory reset steps. Be patient during the process since reinstall and wipe routines can take several minutes. Watch status indicators and don't interrupt power or connectivity mid-reset. Once the reset completes, you'll see the setup screen. You should repair the watch with your phone and restore your backup to recover data and settings. If you encounter an activation lock or account prompt, sign in with the original account credentials. This prevents being permanently locked out. If the watch won't boot, freezes, or repeatedly loops, try firmware recovery via the companion app or a forced update. If problems persist, contact manufacturer, support with model and serial details for guided recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.